Hey everyone in YouTube land, I just wanted to touch base with you. I have had surgery about 10 days or so ago. I had a total left hip replacement, and I'm taking a breather outside, even though it's kind of everything's dying. All my flowers and tropical stuff is kind of dead, but it's like perfect weather here in North Carolina today. And I'm going to tag a little video at the end of this and show you 9 pieces that will be available in the Art Healing Hearts auction show Friday, November 10th. And that's my show day. It starts at noon Eastern Standard Time on Facebook. And I created these adorable little painted wood slices that are about 7 inches around. You can hang them, prop them on a little easel or whatever you want to do. So I'll show those at the end. And I would like to just ask for your prayers and my recovery. I'm doing pretty good. I still have my walker that I'm using because I'm following doctor's orders to just play it safe and not fall, do anything to mess up my brand new wonderful hip. So I'm hoping in about 2 weeks I'll be kind of back to normal, and so that's why I haven't made any videos or shared any videos in a while, because I just have been totally laying low. So I would covet your prayers that I just heal safely. And I also want to show you one other thing that I'm now offering in my shop. I got a big load of them in, and if you recall, I did the Kintsugi women. And I did that 1 year ago, and I did 6 women, and I've sold all of them. And I have prints and canvas prints available, and embellished prints if you want embellished to look like an original, but half the cost of a original canvas. That's on my website. But I wanted to just read you the story really quick, because I felt the calling that God was asking me to reach out to people and share my story about coming from brokenness and a lot of trauma and a lot of things that have happened in my past with relationships, children, marriages, and so forth. And, you know, at times you just feel like you cannot handle things. And I've suffered with depression, and painting has got me through it, and my faith. All these 25 or 26 years that I've been painting, it's been my saving grace. And I felt the need to paint more about brokenness and the beauty of the healing and getting to the other side and finding peace and more of a connection with God and so forth. Let me just read the story really quickly. It's inside each card on the left-hand side. Kintsugi, the Japanese tradition of mending broken pottery with gold, highlights imperfections rather than hiding them. Kintsugi, or joining with gold, is a 400-year-old tradition that shows that broken objects, when repaired, can be made even stronger, more resilient, and even beautiful. This is an allegory of the mending in us as humans as well as pottery. The understanding is to heal and show that you are a better version of you with the golden cracks. We can accept the uncertainty and imperfection in all of us and celebrate the new strength we have gained. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds, Psalm 147:3. So I wanted to show you really quickly the 6 cards, and you can order them for $2 a piece. And I can send you a set. I can send you 10 or 20 or 30 or however many you need. They are now available. So this is woman number 1. And I'm kind of in the sun. Let me see if I can get down a little bit out of the sun. So you can see the gold leafing cracks. That's all in that photograph. And it's on very heavy cardstock paper. Very, very sturdy. Someone could actually take this and frame it. It has my my website on the back. The Kintsugi story is inside. It'd make a great gift for someone that's gone through a really rough patch. It can be for yourself, or like I said, just really trying to share with somebody that you feel like is really going through a tough time. Here's woman number 2 and woman number 3. And, you know, it's supposed to represent, the skin is representing pottery, broken pottery, and the gold is the healing and the mending of the cracks. This is actually the most favorite one that everybody has been purchasing. I've sold more of these than all the others, but I love all of them, This is number 5. I really like this one because she looks like she's laughing and full of joy. And the last one is number 6. She even has a little bit of gold on her eyelids. So, and then they come with envelopes, you know, like a card set or normal cards would. So, anyway, I wanted to share those with you and let you know that they're available if you would like to order some, and keep them on hand to send to someone in a time of need or bereavement or sympathy or getting well or anything. There's so many reasons why people need people to reach out and touch them in a special way, and that's what I hope these cards will do. So I love you all, and I'll stick on the video at the end with the little cute wood slice art pieces that I created, 9 of them for the show, and that show is Friday, November 10th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for 12 hours for that one day. And I hope you'll come join me over on Facebook for that. I love you all. Bye-bye. Coming to you from North Carolina. I wanted to share my 9 little wood slices that I created for the Giving Thanks art show and Art Healing Hearts auctions. I did 9 pieces this time, and they are wood slices that are 6 to 7 inches tall or round and between a ½ inch and an inch. They are painted with acrylics and sealed, and they have a little hanger on the back. And I'm also going to attach a little bit of a brown ribbon that's kind of see-through that will go with the wood, just to give you the option if you want to hang it on the hanger part or if you want to hang it from the ribbon, which I think would be really darling. So anyway, let me just quickly show you the 9 pieces. Here is the little curious squirrel. I don't have the names right off the top of my head, so I'm just going to tell you what they are. Sunflower, obviously. I intentionally got in the shade because it was like the sun was like shining right in my face, and I won't be able to see the camera when that happens. Here is the Blue Duo. I do know that one because it's 2 blue morphos. I know this one is called Breakthrough. I remember this one is called Metamorphosis. And this is really more of a moth than a butterfly, but it's just decorative and pretty in the fall colors. Here's another one. I forget the name. Kind of like a monarch butterfly and make-believe flowers. A lot of my things are just make-believe. Here is a Luna moth, and it's seeing the light because there's a light coming from behind. They're always attracted to light sources. Funky Frog, I remember this one with those cute little fun red mushrooms with the little white lumps on them. And he's pretty much saying hi or high five, you know. And then the last one is Moon Bunny, one of my favorites, but I actually love them all. And there's Moon Bunny. So those 9 pieces will be in the Giving Thanks art show in the group Art Healing Hearts Auctions. I will be adding it there. I will put a link to my show on Friday, November 10th, 2 days before my birthday, where I'm turning 60. But my show will be Friday, starting at noon Eastern Standard Time for 12 hours until the stroke of midnight. And then poof, they'll be gone. So come grab yours and give thanks for the fall season. Everything in my yard is really tropical, and it's all kind of brown and dying out as we, go into these cooler months and the change of seasons. But this is one of my favorite times of year as far as the temperature goes. In North Carolina, we're going to have a couple of days in the 70s and I think one day in the 80s this week. And then we drop back down and cooler temperatures at night. But I love the spring and the fall just because the weather is so wonderful here in North Carolina. So come join me and I will see you there. Love you all. Bye-bye.